mashmata, I really need mashmata, to clean my house for Pesach, and get those crumbs away. Ay, mashmata, I really need mashmata, to clean my house for Pesach, and get those crumbs away. Ay, come on, let's clean the floor, the dirty chametz floor. Make sure to get those crumbs away. Ay, and now let's clean the drawer, the chairs and tables too. These are just to name a few. Ay, mashmata, I really need mashmata, to clean my house for Pesach, and get those crumbs away. Ay, mashmata, I really need mashmata, to clean my house for Pesach, and get those crumbs away.